Our client had one operator trying to keep up with their skyrocketing production demands, and they just couldn't keep up. So that's when they reached out to AMS. We realized that they also had some safety issues and some quality issues. AMS delivered the PM601 set screw press machine, and we were able to achieve the throughput by allowing the operator to load 4 parts at a time per pallet. The key process here is our heavy-duty crimping process. Pressing 4 parts at a time can be quite challenging, and the way we're able to manage that is by consistently monitoring the force and distance. If we press too far, we'll have parts that are out of spec. One of the really unique features about this machine is the ability to run 7 different versions of parts, and having the ability to do quick change with that many different versions really sets this machine apart. With this machine, our clients have seen a 5x increase in their throughput. They're still using a single operator, and they're going from producing 240 parts an hour to over 1,200 parts an hour.